Welcome to the Literary Device Lectures. My name's Gabs and I'm going to take you through 12 short tutorials to level up your emotional intuition, your language analysis and expand your vocab. So firstly, we need to ask, what is a literary device? As you can see, there are marshmallows on the screen because I like marshmallows and I thought they would serve as a good metaphor for what I'm about to tell you. So the base level definition would be a writing technique to create a specific effect. So that is your basic definition. Now I've kept it very loose as a definition because the reason for a literary device's use is often very versatile and depends on the context and the meaning of the text. So now to give you a little bit more of a treat, a bit more of a complex definition, if it was a hot beverage, it would typically be triple hot chocolate with whipped cream, overflowing with marshmallows, cherry on top, sprinkles, the works. Literary devices are tools to enhance meaning, to persuade, to create humour, or to make ideas clearer and more vivid. They enrich and add more depth by evoking striking images in the reader's mind. Now, I'm just going to give you a quick list of literary devices. So we have metaphors, similes, oxymorons, alliteration, assonance, sibilance, this is hard to say, hyperbole, onomatopoeia, personification, and zoomorphism. So those are your types, the most common types, and we'll be covering all of those through the 12 tutorials. So hit subscribe because you're going to want to get that notification when the video is released. Other names for a literary device, don't worry about this too much, but it's worth being on your radar. So narrative techniques, rhetorical devices, narrative devices, stylistic devices, poetic devices, and literary terms. So don't get thrown off by them. I stick to using the word literary device because it covers a lot of bases. So what will the literary device lectures cover? Well, we'll call out the name of the literary device. We'll provide a short, snappy, memorable definition. We'll look at some of my favourite examples by real writers and real poets. And then we will do an exam-style explanation and analysis of a selected quote. Some final thoughts for today. So there are 12 tutorials in the literary device lectures. Hit subscribe if you want to be the first to get notified of my next upload. And if you fancy getting your hands on this deck, you can head to my Patreon page. And if you want to hang out between videos, come say hi on Instagram. And that's all for now. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.